Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Enable high-accuracy location and Wi-Fi scanning so the phone uses all sensors. Once done, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to reset radios. Make sure to force close or disable apps that continuously poll GPS. This reduces conflicts. If your phone exposes a location cache or system setting, clear it. These steps reinitialize hardware and software paths that often restores baseline accuracy fast. Now calibrate and synchronize sensors. Perform figure 8 motions to recalibrate the magnetometer, then open a mapping app and walk a short known route to help apps download satellite fixes. Make sure the OS and navigation apps are fully updated so they include recent GNSS improvements and bug fixes. If your device exposes GNSS settings, enable all available constellations for better satellite geometry. These actions refine the software's interpretation of signals and reduce system. Finish by verifying in a mapping app. Check reported horizontal accuracy in meters and walk a known distance to confirm. If accuracy is still poor, remove metal cases or magnetic mounts and repeat tests in open, sky away from buildings. When problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted AGPS data or run factory sensor calibration tools if available. If none work, one key troubleshooting tip. Boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps before considering hardware repair or a full factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.